If you're suffering from diabetes, please do not skip this video. It is not any product selling ad or any diabetic reversal program ad which they claim that they reverse the diabetes within 21 days or within 1 month by drinking some magical juice or some powder. See, all these are false. I'm Dr. Leena here. I want to make you aware that why diabetes happens. See, you have to find out the root cause of the diabetes. Diabetes is a hormonal disorder, so you have to really understand what is insulin resistance. Now, insulin resistance happens due to so many reasons. I really don't want to go in detail about it, but be aware of your body. Make your lifestyle little proper. Analyze your daily routine. Make your sleep pattern, your stress inducing agent, be aware of it, and accordingly you change it. It is not just within few days you can change your diabetes. Okay, it takes few months to make your body proper to fight with that hormonal disorder.